It's hard to believe that just 10 years ago we created the original Vari desk and now have over 4 million users in 120 different countries. Since then, we've invested and own over 1 million square feet of office space here in the Dallas-Fort Worth market that's literally an ideation lab showcasing the workspace of the future. Today we have over 300 different products, including soft seating, collaboration spaces, walls that move, along with our award-winning electric standing desks. We have a full collection of soft seating to create places to work and collaborate away from desks. And with simple, transparent pricing, you can maximize your budget and invest in high-impact features that will wow your clients. The collection is designed around classic pieces that will stay in style for years. The color palette is simple, so you can bring your client's brand color and aesthetics to life. We also have storage and accessories, and like other Vari products, they are in stock and ready to ship. Our in-house workspace design team is here as a resource for you. They've worked with thousands of clients all across industries and can share a variety of layouts and configurations. We'd love to work with you as you're navigating the future of work for your clients to create the workspaces of their dreams.